Christmas is here, and this year you might be considering buying an Airfix kit. Whether you're buying for a family member, a loved one, or for yourself, you may be struggling to find the right Airfix kit. Well, watch on, because we're here to help you find the perfect Airfix kit. A great starting off point when you're deciding on the right Airfix kit is to think about the age of the person that you're buying for. We have a multitude of kits across various different age groups, but some kits are more specific to a certain age group. So for example, Quick Build is fantastic for our younger modelers. Anyone under the age of 10 will love Quick Build, as it gives them a chance to dive into the hobby without any of those messy paints and glues. Moving on now to our starter sets. Starter sets are great for the younger modeler as they give you everything you need to get started in this hobby. But they're also great for our older modelers, someone who's maybe taken some time out from the hobby and wants to dip their toe back in before building their kit back up. Standard Airfix kits make up the rest of our range, but they vary massively in size and complexity. Here's a handy tip for you to decipher how difficult a kit is. Take a look at the product code. So for example, with our Sherman tank here, we have product code A01303. What you want to do is you want to look at the two numbers after the A, A01. So that means that this is a Series 1 kit, which is perfect for a beginner. With our Sea Fury here, we have product code A06105. A06, it's a Series 6 kit, so it's for our more advanced modeler. So there you have it, a quick and easy way that you can decide how difficult a kit is. Just take a look at that product code. Another handy way that we here at Airfix make it easy for you to pick your kit is by using our skill level system. It's on all our boxes and on our website, and it's a scale from 1 to 4. 1 for beginners, 2 to 3 for intermediate modelers, and skill level number 4 for a more advanced modeler. It's important for you to ascertain how experienced your modeler is. Then, using our skill system, you can be confident that you are picking a perfect gift. Going hand in hand with both skill level and series number, a great way of narrowing down your Airfix kit is by using price. Now we've no doubt you've got a budget in mind, which is great because that means you can really zero in on that perfect kit. Of course, the more advanced kits are more expensive, but that doesn't mean that you can't buy a more experienced modeler an easier kit. They might like to try something new, or we may have just bought out something that's perfect for them. These are great reasons to buy a more advanced modeler an easier kit, and we know they're going to love it. Last but not least, what do they like? Do they prefer aircraft to figures, World War II fighters to something more modern? Knowing the answer to these questions will really help you zero in on that perfect Airfix kit. Then, using our tips from before, you can make that confident final decision. Just one more thing before we go. When buying plastic kits, there very rarely is a wrong answer. Each kit offers a real and useful experience that not only furthers skill and knowledge, but allows the opportunity to learn new techniques. There aren't many modelers out there that wouldn't want to try something new, and this Christmas, you could be the one to make that happen. If you'd like to learn more about plastic models, please do visit our website and our forum. The links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and from everyone here at Airfix, we wish both you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.